where the camera was too.
So we dragged your couch across the house because, what are you doing?
I'm filming how beautiful your skin looks. How do you feel, Mama?
I would flip you off, but then it would
Don't flip me off.
There's a young child in the room, so.
I'm saving this for prosperity.
So next time I decide about the sun, you're going to play.
You're like, okay, I'm gonna go do some gardening. I'm like, Mom, you need to come here real quick. Come take a look at this.
I would give you a dirty look, but I can't keep my eyes open long enough to give you a dirty look.
It's good because you look like you're constantly giving me the skate guy.
Yeah. You gotta just keep my eyes open. You should have got it. My eyes were swollen shut though.
I know, that would have been even better. But in comparison, like your legs don't look bad at all.
No. I got a little burn in the back of my leg here.
Yeah, let me see. Oh yeah, look at that. That's weird. Why is it only on the back?
The legs I was standing. I don't know.
Were you?
I've got a little bit.
Oh, I thought you were sitting the whole time.
Yeah, I did. I was walking around. There's a little bit here in the front.
Huh.
And I got another spot down by my ankle. Isn't that weirdest thing you ever seen?
That is a very strange pattern of whatever.
That's funny.
Hey, Lorelai.
Open yours.
Hey, Lorelai, talk to Mother.
Hey, Lorelai.
Hi.
What are you reading? You're learning how to be a parent.
No.
Sir Padres. You're not learning anything. Can you read that?
Yeah.
You know Spanish? Yeah? Hola.